If you run a trash can cleaning service, watch this video to learn how to overcome barriers that stop your business from going to the next level. Fuel costs, government fees, rising disposal costs, and always changing regulations take up your time getting instead of cleaning and earning money, and they quickly eat into profits and leave you scrambling. But what if you could add on extra revenue without work that makes your job easier and faster and provides a simple solution that works and gives your clients what they really want? An easy way to make their bin stay clean till your next visit. But with BagEZ, you can now improve satisfaction levels and turn even out-of-service calls into customers that you can ship BagEZ to. Additionally, you can also use it in the home for yard work when camping or events, providing you with years-round revenue and money without the work that can offset the cost of ever-increasing regulations. For more info, visit bagez.com or call us. We're always available to answer questions